I want to talk directly to you right now because if you're running a business and you're struggling with money in any way, shape, or form, this might be exactly what you need to hear in order to actually bring in the profits for you that allow you to achieve freedom. The very first thing that you've got to know is your revenue goal. Not just I want to grow, but a real solid number around what your revenue is. What do you actually need to bring in this year in order to make ends meet, but also crush it? Once you've got that number, you work from it backwards. How many proposals do you need to put out? What's your average proposal price? And how many working days do you actually really have in your season? If you're in the Northeast, for example, maybe you only have like 140 days, good days to work. If you're down in Florida, you might have a lot more, like 280 days from a weather standpoint. That difference truly matters. When you see that math laid out, it's like actually having a yellow brick road in front of you. You know exactly what you've got to do and exactly the goal that you have to hit. And that clarity feels a whole lot better than just waking up every single day wondering where the money's going to come from, how you're going to go out and earn it, etc. You have a plan. The second piece is the profit, and this is where profit is king. And I need you to hear this. Revenue without profit is true vanity. You can say you did $500,000 in sales. I've heard it time and time again. But if that money isn't sticking, it's just noise for you. Profit is what's sanity. That means that every single proposal you send out has to be built with job costing. You need to know before you even win the job that you're actually going to make money with it. If not, it's not worth even sending the proposal out. And when the job is done, you compare the actual costs with what you estimated so you see the variance. That's how you get better. It's how you get tighter and more profitable every single time with your business. Without that step, you'll always feel like you're working hard, not just getting ahead in any way, shape, or form. And the third piece, maybe the hardest one when money is tight, is understanding your financials. Understanding your financials, I'm talking about your profit and loss statements, your P&Ls. Talking about your balance sheet, talking about your cash flow. You've got to know what your overhead is, how much cash you need in reserve, and what your operating expenses really are as well. And when you understand these numbers, the stress starts to lift off of you. You stop feeling like you're flying blind or spinning around in the woods in the fog in the dark, and you start running your business like a machine. You don't want a hand crank business, you want a machine. Listen, and I totally know how heavy this feels when money is tight because I was there. Now I've built a multi-8-figure company. I've been in those places. And that's why at Asphalt Kingdom, we coach contractors through the exact process of what you need to be able to achieve these goals. We help you build your revenue roadmap, set up job costing so you're finally profitable, and make sense of your financials so you can breathe again. You don't have to grind every single day wondering if you're going to make it or not. You can actually build a business that gives you freedom, gives you security, and truly a future that you can be super, super proud of. So here's what I want to do. If this hits home for you, hit the like button and drop a comment right down here below. Let me know where you're at, and I'll make sure that I get you a free budget template and also a job costing calculator. And if you're ready to take control of your business, reach out to me and my team here at Asphalt Kingdom. We've been in the industry 22 years and we've crushed it with clients like you. We have a coach here. We have a coaching program that will walk you through each step of the way so that you can truly build something that works for you and your family. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the comments below.